Righto. Pour yourself a coffee, guys, because for the next 10 minutes, you'll be going to be looking at this car and you will not be disappointed. So you've made it to the video and you're watching this because you are interested in purchasing this vehicle. What we have here is a WB panel van Sandman Tribute. This was a country car owned by a guy that worked for the railway. It was parked in his shed at home and was parked in a shed at work. This was a rust-free car to start with. So this build is 7 years old and hasn't been touched since. Just a quick clean up here and there for shows. So hopefully this video answers all the questions you guys have before you even contact me about this car. In the video, you'll notice I'm doing extensive slow videos of everything under this car, so you can see that everything is original from the original factory dimples. Nothing has been cut out, nothing has been replaced. It's hard to see the bloody video. I've got to hold the camera nearly up, straight up and down. Nah, I reckon there's enough light in here, Kev. I'm just going to run around. Now you'll notice in a lot of the places underneath this car still maintains the original factory bitumen or asphalt that they used to put on the cars in the old days. None of that was removed. So everything mechanical in this car has been rebuilt 7 years ago. So the Trimatic was 100% pulled down and rebuilt. The diff pulled down, rebuilt. Same as the 308 engine. Come back out and then we'll do the front for him. The bodywork on this car prior to the rebuild was dead straight. The GTS guards are welding guards. The welding flutes, they aren't the original GTS. Most of the other parts on this car that have been sourced is GTS. Now the car is on club reg and has been driven regularly, so it's got about 5,000 Ks on the clock since rebuild. It will be sold without registration. You'll notice the doors are clean as underneath. It's just about everything is. The original GTS dashboard is in beautiful condition. Everything under the dash works exactly as it should do, with new cables for all the air vents and everything like that. So it does have the full Sandman roof lining in it as well. Say hello. Say hello to the world. Young Gabriella.
One of his mechanics had a...
Just about guaranteed, Gabby, that not one of your friends would ever have been in the back of a Sandman panel van. So since taking this video, new rubbers have been installed on the back tailgate and the upper tailgate.
I've brought up from home. Yeah, rightio. Yep. And I was going to let's get the oxyacetylene bottle with the gas hook. Like that.
So you'll notice the wheel arches in the back of the panel van, they are original. This car had done bugger all work. It wasn't brought as a tradies car at all. It was just brought as a cruiser. So the car retains all the original drip rails, both sides, left and right across the front, have never been touched.
First 4-speed auto ever made, so you can't actually lock reverse out, and it's still only 3 indent like it's just a big clunky bucket of shit. So I've got another motor and box that's out on a 68 Fairlane, and I reckon it, like I could probably drop it in there. From memory, the water pump was leaked. Back in the day, Thomas Marsh had a 68 Fairlane with the tunnel in. Yeah.
This car pretty much speaks for itself. I mean, the engine bay is very neat, very clean, very tidy. The interior of the car is just well appointed and not over the top. It's beautiful. It drives like a dream. I'm going to buy that off him. So that's it, guys. This is the WB Tribute Sandman panel van. Very, very, very nice car. Well appointed, rust free. So you guys are thinking of getting a panel van and you want to do a Sandman, there is no way knowing you could do one for this price. So have another cup of coffee, guys, or a beer. Sit back, watch the video all the way through and ponder whether you want this car or you don't. Now, I would say this car would drive anywhere in Australia. We are located in Mildura, so grab a mattress, jump in there, go to the beach. Now I have a question for you. When are you coming for a test drive, and is your pocket full of cash?